Enter Bollywood. Sab milega. ZoomTV.in.
There's been such a buzz about, brand association with the movie Aisha and Sonam and everything. Do you think that you have started a trend here where all the brands are going to be, wanting to do the same thing and trying to associate themselves with Bollywood? Do you think you've done this big favor to Bollywood?
In films today, it has such a far-reaching consequence, So I think it's even though Bollywood, some people say it's mass or whatever, it depends on what kind of film you associate with. Because obviously, I mean, for me, if I look at the film and the storyline, the character of the film, Sonam, the actress, not only in real life but real life, it all fit in. So you have to be careful of how you associate with the films. I definitely hope I've set a trend. I definitely hope to do many more films with a certain kind of genre of films and filmmakers and the people associated with it. I definitely look forward to it. And if you see more and more actors and actresses today, they're not wearing a sari on the red carpet.
Absolutely.
They're wearing a gown. But the girls today, I think they want to kind of synergize themselves with the international scenario, and that's how they're wearing more and more Western outfits. I mean, I get calls all the time before every film festival. We need gowns.
Are you kind to them?
Gowns. I'm very kind. I'm very kind. I am very kind to them, yes.
Well, so
we go out of our way. Actually, I really do go out of my way. For those few people that I work with, I really, really do go out of my way. I sometimes have to cancel a shoot and send them clothes, but it's so well worth it because the kind of publicity that is generated when a A-list Bollywood star
when the right person is wearing it.
Absolutely. It's phenomenal. And that's, it's that kind of buzz you don't get otherwise. For that one appearance, it's phenomenal. It's in every print, every kind of media, and honestly, it's amazing,
Well, so now if Bollywood becomes all designer, all high-end and really stylish, you know where the credit goes or you know who to blame. Thank you so much, Kalyani.
Thank you, Simi. It's been such a pleasure.
Same here.
You
Thanks.
look great in Dior, by the way.
Oh, thank you.